All right, if you're trying to build up your hand muscles or you're trying to reduce some stress, you might want to consider this particular product that I received from the brand. This is FitBeast, and we have stress balls here that come in different varieties. So we got the soft version of it, and then we have the medium, and then the hard. And then it also comes with these little flex grips, and they're different in poundage, 6.6 versus 8 and 11 pounds. So you just essentially slip your fingers here and then you can stretch. So this will build up some of your muscles here, and it kind of gives you this little handy kit as well as to which muscles and bones that this affects. So that is kind of cool. Hope you all found this helpful. Have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.